I'm Donna. We just received a small package of Chinese green tea last week. Okay, I'm going to try the Dragon Well now. Dragon Well is the most famous Chinese green tea. It's from Hangzhou, Zhejiang. The main production area is near West Lake. It's around 2 to 3 hours from Shanghai with any vehicle. But nowadays, if you can take the high-speed rail, it's about only 1 hour away. There are lots of tourists there. The most like a real original place is in a village called Dragon Well, and they do have lots of wells, and everybody claims their well is the Dragon one. They have really good water, and because the good water making with this tea, it makes this tea really super and famous in China. The way they make Dragon Well is by a big wok. They just hand press it, so it turned out a really flat shape, and people call this like a bird's tongue. Today, I'm going to show you a special way I learned from the local farmer how they make it, and you can catch them full body out of this Dragon Well. It's very simple. Put about 1 teaspoon of tea leaves. The trick is, instead of low temperature, I'm going to do boiling hot. And we call this special method is half cup style. This is boiling hot water. I'm just going to pour in the water, half cup. And you can see was a dragon dance earlier. And just like Biluochun, I'm just going to wait for the leaves to sink down. As soon as I see the tea like stick up, straighten out, that means the flavor is coming out already. Then once they start straightening like that, then I'm going to put out another half cup of hot water, boiling hot water. Immediately, I pour the tea out to a different vessel. Then this is the half cup style of Dragon Well. And let's see what it tastes like. It tastes very nutty. Also, I can taste it's kind of malty because they pan fire these teas. Also, it's savory too. Hope you will try the new methods I show you today for these new teas. We have a really limited supply. If you do get them, have fun, enjoy. See you next time.